yaman niya guys, promise. So, because of that, I'll get more. Nababaw kabalan, kumusta kayo po? So ngayon nga doon ni Atsu kami keng En Croute. May itong yung wala mo French or European restaurant kini Kilub Clark.
Actually bayang ka.
Wow, bayo pa. So habang panay na itala retang kay retang minutang Albania pa mo yung mga ano dala prepare de pa mga kini. Watch out. Ito actually kaning kilub na ning cafe tamo. Siguro timo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 around 5 to 6 tables. It's a great place for your siguro meetups, meeting ng ating kang kasabi, like for example a client, special someone. Kini may dala. So just to give you a rundown of their menu, Kenny, they serve salad, they also have sandwich, they have pasta, and then for their main course, itang serve na kaya katamo itang salmon and croute with Greek yogurt sauce. What? Man, itang beverage na sinerve na kaya katamo, which is this one. This is Super Sakura. Of course, sa cafe, they also have coffee. What else? They also have cakes. O ito, so para mag-umpisa na yung kaya katamong En Croute experience is this mixed green salad with beets. Surprisingly guys, this is just 269 pesos. And in this salad, it has lettuce, beets, red radish, honey roasted walnuts, parmesan, blue cheese, and honey mustard dressing. Wow! Ciao!
What a great way to start.
Oh.
Seafood scampi.
Seafood
Scampi. Anyway, roasted lamb sandwich.
roasted lamb sandwich. Wow, you gotta see this guys. To continue with the En Croute experience, so we have roasted lamb sandwich. For the pasta, this is the seafood scampi. Yeah. Ciao. Yung serving na nini for the seafood scampi na pasta, it's 299 pesos. Lamb sandwich is 299 pesos. For a price of 299 pesos, pare compare may again talagang
Sulit yun.
luxury kay nakainan.
Ang lasa na the best yun.
Muscle. Wow. Roasted lamb sandwich. Amazing. Sobrang yaman na nito. Promise. Kaya po maglaro.
Ang first taste mo pa, mapa-round 2 ka talaga.
No? Wow.
Signature dish sir, salmon and croute sir.
Salmon and croute. So, basically, nanong composition na sir?
Isa, nakabalot yung puff pastry sir. Hindi talaga yung pinaka. Alam mo yung root word yung
And croute, wow.
puff pastry.
Correct, correct.
Then, itang cheese na group sir, sila total cheese, then spinach. Then sauce like yogurt sauce.
What? Pero sir, pa pag Pilipino kami mayaman. Super, hindi ba mo?
Scampi sir.
The best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Enjoy, sir.
We will. Okay, so to top off yung kaya katamong En Croute experience is their salmon and croute. So iniing bestseller nila kasi just to give you a background. So en croute is a French word which means bala mo lilayer dalang thin wa pastry ring either anong klaseng meat, either salmon, lamb, beef, or even vegetables, mga yan. So, apin na yung ibig sabihin ng en croute. So, yeah, I'm excited. Tara! Go. Ooh, look at that! Kapag ganyan yan. Kapag... Look at that, oh! Ooh!
Yun ang ipon.
Okay, so follow my fork, Brad. Yeah, man, I promise. Salmon. I love salmon. Wow. Wow. One thing our last wish before Garay. Firing squad, guys. No kidding aside, this is really great.
Malansa na.
Yep. Wow. The best. Wait, guys. So before we completely finish our table right now, so my recommendation for En Croute, siguro when you go here, don't expect a long table, don't expect bala mo itang medyo lively na music like itang bala mo banda-banda. Siguro karas mo kaya ni, my recommendation is go here with your special someone, siguro a group of 4, santingan kaya ni, yung nakamong kamura. The food is for sharing. Actually nanom itong excuse me, atin lamang sinerve na 4 dishes pero grabe. Mabsing. And to add, kay Gulo Tamu is their kitchen. So it's a live kitchen. So what ang in-order mo, it's an open kitchen. What ang in-order mo kay ni, they'll cook it in front of you. They'll prepare it in front of you. So definitely guaranteed fresh. And edamo papali mo. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe on our channel, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and baliw nito, you know what to do, guys. So thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Peace out. Yun, so habang mag-dessert kami, tintanging the man himself, Chef Benz. So actually, yung mika pa ka na, bakit ating En Croute? Tapos po ba yung
You pronounce it En Croute.
En Croute.
Well, from the name itself, so when I create a restaurant, sometimes I want the names very something interesting.
Itang potang kakutang may ay kasabi may
Where's
potang
that?
may ulit.
Potang may generic. Then also from the En Croute, in New England, it's classified as luxury cafe. Where in France, anything that's wrapped in puff pastry like salmon and crew, beef Wellington or beef and crew, mga ganun lang. And I wanted something unique. That's
Wow,
why.
congratulations, Chef.
Yeah.
Actually, so nandin, we had our starter as salad, and then we had our pasta, seafood scampi,
Seafood scampi.
and then itang salmon and crew,
Salmon and crew.
and then itang roasted lamb tamo na sandwich. They were all amazing, man.
Well, what we are trying to have here in Clark, since this is my first time to enter Clark, is to have parang a different level of a cafe. So that's a typical cafe that you can see everywhere. So as you can see, our place very small lang.
Correct.
Then at least something to look forward. That you have your business meetings,
Exactly.
you have your business deals, and your dates.
Exactly.
You don't need to makisiksikan pa where
Correct.
ka ng tao, di ba? If you want just a coffee, again, we have 100% Arabica for
Arabica for the
Yun lang naman. And with my team, my assets, I have my good team. Hi guys! Yan, mga gwapong-gwapo kong team sa likod. No? I guarantee them the service. We'll do our best. Okay? Bye guys! And see you for our see you soon guys and marami pa ganap.
Check nyo yung vlog niya. So, nagpa-vlog niya si Chef Vince.
Thank you.